In this video, I'm gonna show you how to increase the download speed of your Ubisoft Connect considering that you have encountered an issue regarding the slow internet. The first thing that I want you to do is to head in the task manager of your Windows or any system that you are using. Once you're inside the task manager, you will see every single app that is currently running in your device. So how to identify the issue here? You have to go into the performance, and here you will see the CPU, memory, this, Ethernet, Wi-Fi, and GPU. So click on the Wi-Fi, and then click this three-dotted icon in the top right corner of the screen. Then select Resource Monitor. Here we will see the network, which is in the fourth tab. I want you to click the network and focus on the network activity. As you can see, these are the applications that is currently using the Wi-Fi network. So select every single application here and then close them by doing this. Click this. Then click the end process. So just do it again until you reach the certain speed or a good speed in downloading applications in your Ubisoft Connect. And that's how you can increase the download speed in your Ubisoft Connect. And thank you for listening.